Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to hide likes on Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Instagram application and I'm going to selecting here Reels and opening a reel and clicking on this three dot icon here. And as you can see, here is no option to hide likes. So to hide likes from our reels, we need to open a browser and now open your Instagram and make sure to log in into your Instagram account and tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on desktop site, and you can zoom in and to the right hand corner of the screen you'll get your profile icon. So tap on that and tap on profile, and now here select reel section and open the reel you want to hide likes from, and now tap on this three dot icon here. And as you can see, here is the option to hide like count, so tap on that, and that's how we can hide likes on Instagram Reels. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.